fucking great. You look so stupid. Oh.
I see you haters away. I see you haters. I'm getting away.
Way to go burn? I need to grab Dutchess though.
Yeah, find some Dutchess, then we find somewhere to burn.
Yeah. I wonder where can I find Dutchess at? Motherfucker right now. There's a spot I found up the, like a little bit off the highway though. It was off the highway.
It's probably, I think we passed a couple of gas stations.
Yeah, but I don't know how many of them just gonna have like a fucking. We're gonna see. I don't need that many right now. I don't need that many right now. Man, son, that food hit.
Oh yeah, got me feeling lazy already.
I feel like taking a snack.
Scooters, they got the scooters out here?
Yeah, it look like it. I wonder if they got Dutchess in this gas station right here.
Yeah, I would try.
Oh, I know where they might have them at.
Right next door, across the street?
Nah, there's a 7-Eleven around the corner.
Oh, word. That wouldn't feel good.
No, I knew you was going to go back there. Fuck it.
Yeah, whatever. It don't matter to me.
There's other spots up in there too. So I could just look for it.
Right.
Yeah, fuck it. Let's go.
6 o'clock. Are we going right?
Yeah, you go right.
It is. Or it's a security guard. He's something. I don't think he's a cop though, because cops don't have Hemis and 392s.
Right there. Again.
shit was smooth. Smooth 90. Right. Hell yeah. Like it that.
Move, I didn't even look. No, nigga, I looked down and see we was doing 95. I'm like, oh wow. I didn't even feel that. Normally don't float like that through that road because I be having my fucking big ass book bag on me.
Yeah. Backing up your balance and shit.
Yeah, that shit be got mad drag when you be riding with that. I don't know how niggas be rocking with bags like that. Like all off balance.
Right.
Let's go to the old Simmons building if you want.
It's whatever. I don't care. We can go anywhere.
I just go to the back spot right there.
Oh, the Beamer for sale?
Huh?
The Beamer bike for sale?
Yeah. Oh.
Huh?
Maybe they had the horn or something?
Nah.
I'm like,
I went on the opposite side.
but yeah, where did you go?
real quick, right?
Word of mother. Want to run?
I hate when I go around someone like that, then I hit a stoplight and they catch up to me.
Yeah, like, oh, you're an asshole.
Right.
Got this bump right here, though.
That one's good because it's the opposite direction. We did this run before.
Huh?
We did this run before right here.
Nah, we did it.
Yeah, we did. I remember.
You sure?
Yeah, we floated down it. I remember. This brings us towards Six Flags, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember. We did this before.
Hold up.
This is that bad one right here. I was doing this the other day.
You see how funny it looks.
You take off like
Oh, that's so fucking great. You look so stupid. Oh man, that's great. That was great. Dude, you did do this run one time when you was going to work. Oh shit.
yeah, I think I went to work after.
Yep, I remember. That was a little run now.
But we did float just like that last time too.
Yeah.
And you were telling me about the duplex house that you like on the right hand side?
Yep, I remember.
Yep.
Good run.
Hell yeah.
Remember when we came here before to that bar over there and niggas kicked us out because we were fucking black?
They ain't let us in, you mean?
Yeah, niggas.
Yeah.
Stop, man, that's up.
Yeah, yeah.
Remember that shit?
They was like, oh, too many people. We